Yo, what's up guys, it's Ja, and today I'll be reviewing the 1906R Action Bronson Medusa Azul. As always with Action Bronson shoes, they're always a unique twist on the 1906R and all the other New Balance models he's collaborated on. These dropped only via raffle, I believe, and the Rose Wires dropped via a website release. This raffle release was a lot better than the website release, which allowed more people to get the shoe, fortunately. These released with a retail price of $185, and after the raffle fees and the tax, it came out around $205 for me. So enough about the release, let's get into the actual shoe. So just like the Rose Wires, these come in a bright red box with a big baklava text printed in this kind of reflective material. The reflective material is followed along the side of the shoe also. Once you open the box, you have this big bright orange dust bag with the New Balance logo, along with Action Bronson specializing in life and the baklava. I love that they include the dust bag on every release of these shoes. It's just an extra plus getting the shoes. Moving on to the shoes, the upper is primarily composed of different shades of blue, along with a hint of brown and silver and purple. On the back of the shoe, you have this cage in black with the New Balance logo added. The laces are a mix of black and purple, and the entire tongue is in the gray color. Moving toward the bottom of the laces, you have this nice suede New Balance lace holder. Overall, the entire upper is something I never thought would go together on a shoe, but it somehow does. Inside of the shoe on the insole, you have the baklava text and the New Balance in a neon green color. You also have this glossy part of the midsole, which is comprised of blue and purple, it looks like, towards the back part of the shoe. Flipping the shoe over, the blue theme is continued, but you have a lighter blue, and you also have more brown. These do run true to size and are comfortable like every New Balance shoe. The resale market on these shoes is pretty low, surprisingly. I'm assuming there is more stock dropped of the Medusa Azul colorway compared to the Rosewater since prices are relatively low. I believe you can get this size 8 for around $220 on StockX. So the three 1906Rs that Action Bronson has dropped, which one do you think is the best? Personally, I'm going to go with the Medusa Azul because I feel like it can go with a lot more outfits compared to the other two colorways. That is the Medusa Azul colorway. Thanks for watching, leave a like if you enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next video.